how to add location on your story on Instagram. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You open Instagram first, then when Instagram is opening, as you see, for example, I will add a story. I will go to story and camera. I will, for example, take a picture. Then I will just uh, click on the screen and click and go up like that, and then I will found here location. I will click on location and I will just, for example, New York here, and as you see now, I add a location on my story. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.